Hello, my name is Juan Andrea Arșanu, and I am a PhD student at Transylvania University of Brasov, Faculty of Product Design and Environment. In 2015, I graduated the Biomedical Engineering Bachelor field, and in 2017 year, I graduated the Mechatronics System for Medicine and Industry Master Program. Starting with 2017, I have studied the brain computer interface research field as the main topic during my PhD program. Now I want to run again some experimental sessions on using the brain computer interface that I created in Levio programming environment for the integration with the Unicorn official applications based on detecting the P300 evoked potentials. As a starting point, we need to check the EEG quality. So here in the Unicorn recorder official application, you can see how the raw EEG data is monitored. Until now, the EEG quality is just perfect. You can see here the graphical representation. Now I clenched my teeth, so you can observe this noise during the clenching of my teeth. This graphical, this graphical deflections are caused by the execution of voluntary eye blinking, as you can see. And in the right side, there is a graphical representation of the placement of the 8 EEG sensors across my head. So during the experimental session, I will avoid the body movement, and also I will try to speak less. Now I will close the Unicorn Recorder application. I checked that the EEG quality is just perfect. So now it's time to continue with the next application, the P300 Unicorn Speller Board. I close this one and I will open again the Unicorn Suite Hybrid Black. This EEG headset is released by the GTEC Medical Engineering Company from Austria, and it provides both free and paid software. The Unicorn Speller needs a paid license. It facilitates users the possibility of customizing our own original boards. I'll close this one. This is the Human Faces Speller board. As I said, I created my customized speller board, so I will upload it. This one. The vector interface application that I want to present you is related to searching some texts, some options in Facebook, YouTube, and Google. So the options are related to searching for famous artists such as Michael Jackson, Adele, Ronan Keating, and Tina Turner. Here we can see the abbreviated descriptions. Then we can search for some famous character animations from movies. For example, Avatar, Harry Potter, Yoda, or The Sims. The Sims is a video game. And in the last row, we can observe some graphical representations for abbreviated forms of famous companies such as Apple, Emotive, Neurosky, and GTech. The last three characters, Emotive, Neurosky, and GTech, are famous brain-computer interface companies. Here we can see that the signal, the the EEG raw, has a good signal quality. So we can start our application. Okay, so here we have the experimental protocol. I want to start with the second row that will be mixed with some options from the first row. So firstly, I will try to detect by mentally counting the flashings. I'll try to detect the Michael Jackson option. Then I will search Michael Jackson on Facebook. I'll continue with Adele. I will search Adele in YouTube. Then I will try to detect the Ronan Keating symbol and I will look for Ronan Keating in Google. And lastly, I will try to detect Tina Turner and I will search for Tina Turner in Facebook. I will run the LabVIEW application and I think we can start. So, my task will be to mentally count the number of flashing covering the target symbol. Now, the target symbol will be the Michael Jackson abbreviated character. So Michael Jackson was selected. You can see that I didn't use my hands. Now Facebook was correctly selected. I will stop application to check in internet what happened. So here we can see that Google Chrome browser was opened on Facebook page and now we see that the search option was the Michael Jackson text and here we see the related content of Michael Jackson. We will continue with Adele. So we want to search for Adele in YouTube. Firstly, I want to select this symbol D, and then I want to select the above symbol related to YouTube. So Adele is correctly selected. Now for YouTube. So YouTube is correctly selected. Now Google Chrome is opening the YouTube web page and we see the search option is set to Adele. Okay, stop for now. Now I want to search Ronan Keating in Google. So firstly, I will select this symbol by mentally counting the flashings, and then I will select the G for Google. So Ronald Keating was correctly selected. The picture is displayed in LabVIEW. Now So G symbol is correctly selected. Google web page is opening and Ronan Keating text is searched here. So everything was perfect. We will continue with the second experiment. This is related to firstly searching for avatar in Google. So I will try to focus my attention on the first symbol A from the third row. Then I'll focus again my attention on the G symbol. So avatar was selected and its related picture was correctly displayed in lab view. So it's perfect. G was selected. Google is opening the searching options for avatar. Now I continue the experiment with searching for Harry Potter in YouTube. So the first option is Harry and the second option will be YouTube. This symbol and this symbol. Harry Potter was correctly selected and its picture is displayed in lab view. Oops, there is a mistake. I'll focus again on YouTube. No, the second mistake. So I need to focus deeper. Now YouTube is correctly selected. Its picture is displayed in live view. Google browser is opening the YouTube web page, and the search text was Michael Jackson because this was the last selection. I'll try again to focus my attention on H symbol for searching for Harry Potter in YouTube. So firstly, I try to select Harry Potter and then I try to select again the YouTube. Harry Potter correctly selected and now the YouTube. The YouTube is correctly selected, so now it's just perfect. You can see the related content opening. Okay, so the next task is to select the character associated with Yoda. So I'll select this O character and I will search for Yoda in Google. So the next symbol will be this one, G. First, I will select Yoda by mentally counting the flashings based on P300 evoke potentials, and then I'll select Google. Let's see. No, it's not correct here. Let's focus again. Okay, now it's correct. Yoda was selected, and now on Google. Fortunately, it's not correct. So I'll focus again on Google. Okay, Google was correctly selected. Here it was a confusion from P300 speller because G is also is used both for Google and GTech. I will try again to select Yoda and then I will try to select Google, this one. Now, again, okay, I will stop the program. So let's repeat this. Try to select Yoda and then this one, Google. Okay, another mistake, but we need to continue. Now Yoda is selected and now I'll focus on Google, this one. No. Again, Yoda and Google. Okay. Again, Yoda and Google. Okay. And now Google. Okay. So that's it's the result that I expected. Yoda is searched in Google. You see the related content. Okay, so this task was more challenging than the other ones. Now I want to search for Sims in YouTube. So I'll try to firstly select this character, abbreviated with the S character, and then I will try to select the YouTube related symbol, this one. So S is the first one and YouTube is the second one. Okay, Sims was correctly selected and now YouTube. Okay, perfect. So now the Sims text is searched in YouTube. You can see. Okay, so we can continue now with the third experiment. Here we need to search for some options that are found in the third row. So this is app from Apple, then E from Emotive, then Neurosky, and then GTech. So firstly, I will select. So these options are from the last row, from the fourth row. So firstly, Apple will be searched for in Google. This one. Let's see. I will focus my attention on Apple firstly, and then I'll focus my attention on Google. Okay, Apple was correctly selected, and now Google. Perfect. So Google is opening the Apple searching options. You can see the related content. Then we should continue. So now I will search for E from emotive in Facebook. So the first option is this symbol related to emotive, and the second option is F from Facebook. Okay, emotive is correctly selected and its picture is displayed in live view. And now Facebook is selected. You can see that Google browser opens the Facebook web page and the searching option is emotive and the relating content is also displayed. We should continue with the next task related to searching for Neurosky in Google. So I will focus my attention on this character N from Neurosky, and then I'll focus my attention on G for searching Neurosky in Google. Okay, Neurosky was selected. And now Google. Now Google. Yes, Google was selected. You can see the searched option is Tina Turner and the related content was already displayed. Okay, so finally I will search for G. G is from GTech. And the next searching option is Facebook. So I can see here. First the GTech and then Facebook. Okay, GTech was already checked. Facebook. Perfect. So Google browser is opening the Facebook web page. GTech is the search text, and we see the related content. Here is the official website. Okay. So these are the standard three experiments. And we also have another experiment, the fourth experiment, that is based on random selections from all the rows. So firstly, I'll focus my attention on Harry, and then I want to search for Harry Potter in Google. Now I should focus my attention and mentally count the flashings that will cover this option related to Harry Potter. And then I will continue with Google with G symbol for the Harry Potter. Okay, Harry Potter was detected. Now Google. Perfect. So Google web page is opening and is searching for Harry Potter. The next tasks is requiring to search for Yoda in YouTube. So firstly, I'll focus my attention on this symbol O from Yoda, and then I'll focus my attention on this symbol from YouTube. So Yoda was selected, and now YouTube. YouTube was selected. Now Google is opening the YouTube web page and is searching for Yoda. So everything is perfect. Now the next tasks are related to searching for Ronan Keating in YouTube. Therefore, firstly, I'll focus my attention on the K symbol. I'll mentally count how many flashings are covering the symbol related to Ronald Keating, and then I'll search for Ronald Keating in YouTube by focusing my attention on this YouTube related symbol. So Ronald Keating is searched in YouTube. Okay, Ronald Keating correctly selected, and now YouTube. YouTube correctly selected. Google is opening the YouTube web page, and now the search text is related to Ronald Keating and the content is displayed. We will continue with the next task related to selecting the avatar related P300 based symbol and searching for avatar in Facebook. So firstly, I'll focus my attention on this A symbol for selecting avatar, and then I'll focus my attention on the F symbol for searching for avatar in Facebook. Okay, avatar is correctly displayed, and now Facebook. Facebook was correctly selected. Google is opening the Facebook web page, and the related searching option is avatar. You see the related content. Now the next task will be to search for Gmail. So we will try to detect Gmail. I don't expect for any action to happen, so just check the Gmail. Now, then the last task would be to search for emotive in Google. So this icon should be selected, Gmail. Gmail was correctly selected. And here in Lab View, we can check the related code for Gmail. So I can see that this web page should be opened so that a new Gmail should be created. So the last part of the experiment is requiring to search emotive text in Google. Emotive is a famous brain computer interface company. So I'll focus my attention on this E abbreviated symbol, and then I'll focus my attention on G symbol to search for emotive information in Google. That's great. E was correctly selected. Now Google. Perfect. So now Google browser is opening, and emotive is the searched option, and here we see the related content. Okay, so this was the live demonstration of experimenting the brain computer interface that I developed in LabVIEW, and I also integrated with the Unicorn EEG headset by implementing the UDP data transfer. So, as you can see in the right side from the lab view, we receive this package of UDP data, and then further in lab view, I implemented an algorithm based on state machine to switch between selection, but most importantly, I used the UDP data functions to acquire the UDP data package, and I implemented an original sequence for for processing the UDP data and extracting the UDP based command related to a character that is further associated with some commands that will display both pictures, that will both display pictures and also will search for information in Facebook, YouTube, and Google. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for your attention, and I'm looking forward to seeing you. Thank you.